Hey there, food enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of Mexican cuisine to uncover some intriguing facts about one of its most beloved dishes, enchiladas. Prepare to have your taste buds tantalized and your knowledge expanded as we explore the fascinating history and cultural significance behind Mexican enchiladas. Enchiladas, a staple in Mexican cuisine, have a rich and colorful history that stretches back centuries. Did you know that the word enchilada comes from the Spanish word enchilar, which means to season with chili? It's no surprise that chili peppers play a crucial role in the flavor profile of this mouthwatering dish. Enchiladas can trace their origins to ancient Mayan and Aztec civilizations, where corn was a dietary staple. Corn tortillas served as a base for many traditional dishes, including enchiladas. They were filled with various ingredients like beans, meats, and vegetables and were often topped with chili-based sauces. One fascinating fact about enchiladas is that they can vary greatly depending on the region in Mexico. Each region has its own unique style and flavor profile, showcasing the diversity of Mexican cuisine. For example, in the northern regions, enchiladas are often filled with beef or cheese and topped with a red sauce. In central Mexico, chicken is a popular filling choice, while in coastal areas, seafood enchiladas steal the show. Another interesting fact about enchiladas is the variety of sauces used to enhance their flavor. From the rich and smoky mole sauce to the vibrant and tangy salsa verde, the sauce selection can make or break the dish. It's amazing how a simple change in sauce can completely transform the taste and experience of enchiladas. Now, here's a fun fact for all the cheese lovers out there. In some regions of Mexico, especially in the north, enchiladas are topped with melted cheese, creating a gooey and irresistible combination. Known as enchiladas suizas, or Swiss-style enchiladas, this variation adds a delightful cheesy twist to the traditional recipe. Enchiladas aren't just a delicious dish. They also hold cultural significance in Mexican celebrations and festivals. In fact, during the famous Mexican holiday Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, families often prepare enchiladas as an offering to their departed loved ones. It's a beautiful way to honor the past and celebrate the present. So, the next time you savor a plate of enchiladas, remember the incredible history, regional diversity, and cultural importance behind this delectable Mexican dish. Whether you enjoy them smothered in sauce, bursting with cheese, or filled with your favorite ingredients, enchiladas are a true testament to the vibrant flavors and culinary heritage of Mexico. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed these fascinating facts about Mexican enchiladas. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more delicious content, and don't forget to share your favorite enchilada experiences in the comments below. Until next time, adios amigos.